Sad,
Yeah.
sad.
Good day, Mr. Rodney A. Arocha.
Good day,
Um,
sir.
My name is Rogelio Bigamoni Jr. I am the HR of the Asia company, and I am the one who conduct to interview to you. And Mr. Arocha, before you start, I would like to commend your outfit. You look so good today. And
Thank you, sir.
so, see that. So, Mr. Arocha, how are you doing?
I'm first of all, good morning, Mr. Gaborne Jr.
Good morning to you.
I'm fine and I'm doing great.
Okay, thank you. That's nice. Did you do interesting over this weekend?
Actually, yes, sir. I'm improving my skills and I'm learning new things to apply new knowledge for myself. Also, as an architect, I need to be perform well for my clients.
Thank
Yes.
you. Keep it up. So, did you have any trouble finding my office?
Actually, no, sir. I'm good because I already know your office.
Okay, thank you. So, to get started, why you don't tell me about yourself and the past experiences you have relevant role as an architect?
Okay, sir. I am architect Rodney A. Rocha. I've graduated as architecture student and I worked for government for 4 years as a fire officer, and it brings me a lot of experience, and I've encountered a lot of people and responsibilities. So when it comes to responsibilities, leadership, communicating people or understanding people, I'm used to it. And as an architect, I really go through a lot of trials, and the most frequent one is the lack of sleep, because when you're an architect, you really need to devote a time for a day, for your plans and for your projects. And also, but for me, I ignore all of those tiredness and struggles because I believe in myself that all of my hardships and efforts will give me a excellent good result and equivalent, and that's my duties to give excellent work for my clients.
Okay, thank you. I hope you can apply this in your company.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
what you would say is your greatest strength and weaknesses?
My greatest strength, I believe my greatest strength is I'm a good I am I am hard worker and I'm a positive person, and as an architect I am creative thinker and I work excellently, and for my weaknesses, I am too well organized for myself and for the others. And sometimes I am insecure for myself and for my surroundings.
Okay, thank you. In your opinion, what are the necessary skills needed to be an architect?
Again, as an architect, you need to have a good or excellent design skills or knowledge about buildings and constructions and analytical thinking. And last is the ability to use the initiative.
Okay, thank you. For the last question, tell me how you organize your plan and prioritize your work as an architect.
Being an architect, firstly, by consulting my clients um, for their requirements and to prepare drawings, specifications, and construction documents. Also, leading and developing projects as developing projects from concept from development design, and that's how I prioritize my work or organize my work as an architect.
Okay, thank you. I like how you
Thank you,
answer my
sir.
question, and
Thank you,
I
sir.
like your fluency and your
Thank you,
delivery
sir.
and the content of your answer. So that's
Thank
all
you,
for
sir.
our initial interview, and we will contact you if you will pass the interview, so that you can proceed the final interview.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank